Good morning students. Now today we will begin chapter 9 algebra, that is we have to begin our final course of class 6th. So we will start with algebra, which is chapter number 9. So all of you open your book and see the introductory part of algebra. Okay, so see here, we will begin with the matchsticks. Sticks. Okay, suppose you will have few matchsticks, and with that matchsticks you have to make few shapes. Suppose we have to make L shape. Okay, L shape. So how many matchsticks will be needed to make this L shape? Okay, so see here, one matchstick and two matchstick. Two matchstick is needed to make one L. Two matchstick is needed to make one L shape. Okay, we are seeing that two matchstick is needed to make one L shape. Then if we will make one more L shape, then again two more, then if we make one more, then what happened? Again two more. So what we are getting, that in making L shape we need to have two matchsticks. Okay, with those two matchsticks, what happen? We will make L shape. So the number of L shape will be dependent on what? The number of matchstick. So to make L shape, the formula if we will see formula to make L shape with matchsticks. So what is that formula? Formula is 2 into n. The formula is 2 into n, where n is the number of L shape, where n is number of L shape, where n is number of L shape. Okay, so this is the formula to make L shape. The formula is 2 into n. Okay, 2 into n, where n is the number of L shape. Suppose, see, for example, if we will have a question, that how many matchstick is needed to make 12 L shape. Okay, how many? This is the question. Okay, based on L shape, how many matchstick is needed to make 12 L shape? We know that the formula is what? We know that formula to make L shape. Is what? 2 into n, where n is the number of L shape. So how many number is there given in the question? 12. 12 is the number given in the question. Okay, that means 12 L shape. So number of matchstick is 2 into 12. That is 12 to the 24 matchstick. 24 matchstick is required to make 24 matchstick is needed to make 12 L shape by matchsticks. Okay, so this is for L shape. Okay, now we will see if we have to make C shape. Only those shape we will discuss here which is given in your book. Okay, which is given in your book, only those shape we will discuss over here. Okay, see here, to make C shape, To make C shape, how many matchstick is needed? See here, 1, 2 and this is 3. So to make one C shape, we will need how many matchstick? 3 matchstick. If we will make 2 C shape, then we will have 3 more matchstick is needed. Then again if we will make 3, then 3 more. So total how many matchsticks? 3, that means 3 plus 3 6 plus 3 9. To make 3 C shape, we will have 9 matchsticks. Okay, so formula is, what is the formula? Formula is 3 into n. Okay, 3 into n, where n is number of matchstick, where n is number of, sorry, not number of matchstick, n is number of C shape, where n is the number of C shape. To make C shape, we will have formula 3 into n, where n is the number of C shape. Okay, now let us see one more example in the case of C shape. Okay, now see, in the case of C shape, we will see one example. The question is, how many C shape how many matchsticks, not how many C shape, how many matchstick is needed, how many matchstick is required to make 15 C shape. Okay, so this is the question, how many matchstick is required to make 15 C shape. Okay, see here, what is the formula to make C shape? Formula to make C shape is 3 into n, where n is the number of C shape. So it is given in the question 15. So we will keep it in the formula 3 into 15. 15 3 is a 45 matchstick. 45 matchsticks is needed. Okay, 45 matchstick is needed to make 15 C shape. Okay, so after C shape, what we have to discuss? We have to discuss to make E shape. I thought after C shape we will have E shape. Okay, so to make E shape, okay, E shape, see how many matchstick? 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. 5 matchstick is needed to make one E shape. Okay, see here, 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, then again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in every case we are seeing 5 matchsticks is needed to make E shape. Okay, so in one E shape we will have total 5 matchsticks. In 3 E shape, 5 plus 5 10 plus 5 15. So the formula to make E shape is what? 5 into n. The formula is 5 into n. 5 into n is the formula, where we all know that where n is number of E shape, where n is the number of E shape. Okay, understand everyone? 5 into n is the formula to make E shape. Okay, see one example we will take in E shape also. Okay, see, for example, in question, how many matchsticks is needed to make 36 E shape. Make 36 E shape. How many matchsticks is needed to make 36 E shape? Okay, so what we will do? We will write the formula to make E shape, and the formula we all know that what is it is 5 into n. 5 into n. So 5 into n is given how much? 36, the number of E shape. Then we will multiply 5 6 are 30, 1 carry, 5 6 are 30, 3 carry, 5 6 are 15 plus 3, 18, 180 matchsticks. 180 matchsticks is needed to make 36 E shape. Okay, so by this we will, like this only we will draw the do the questions of matchsticks by making a formula you have to make. Okay, listen here, there may be, we all know that there are total 26 alphabets in our English alphabetical order. Okay, so what happens, we can ask any shape of any figure, how many matchsticks is needed to make D shape, how many matchsticks is needed to make P shape, understand how many matchsticks is needed to make Z shape. So any of the figure we can give, and we can ask the number of matchsticks is needed. What you have to do, you have to learn how to make the formula. So I have tried to make you all understand that how the formula is made. Okay, how formula is made by the help of matchstick. So the way I am telling you all that how to make formula, you need to learn that. Okay, if you will learn that how the formula is made, then you can easily do any figure question. Okay, so that is very easy. I have explained it very well. Okay, now see, if we have to make square shape, fourth it is given square shape. Okay, not E, it is square shape. Okay, so to make square shape, see here, 1 2 3 and it is 4. Okay, to make one square shape, how many? 4 matchsticks is needed. 4 matchsticks is needed. 4 matchsticks is needed. If we need to make 2, then we will make like this only, 1 2 3. Okay, now how many to make 2, how many matchsticks is needed? Now we are only 3 matchsticks is needed. Again, if we will make one more, then again 3 matchsticks. Okay, then again 3 matchsticks is needed. So what we are seeing, that for making square shape, listen all of you very carefully here. Now in this figure, what happens? To make square shape, first if we will make only one square, then 4 matchsticks needed. If we will making more than one square shape, see I have written here number of square shapes, 1, this is second square shape, this is third square shape. If we will make more than one square shape, then after first square shape, in rest of the cases, in rest of the square shape, only 3 matchsticks is needed. We are seeing here only 3 matchsticks is needed. So how we can make the formula? Okay, so how we can make the formula? So see here, 3 then again we will have 3, then 3, like this only 3 matchsticks is needed, and 4 we can write like this, and 4 we can write like this, 3 plus 1. Okay, 4 is written, 4 we can write like this, 3 plus 1. So the formula to make a square shape is 3n plus 1. 3n plus 1. This is the formula, this is the formula to make a square shape. Okay, कैसे किया हमने इसको देख लो, बाकी सब तो सरल थे, इसको देख लो। स्क्वायर शेप बनाने के लिए क्या है, जब हम सिर्फ एक स्क्वायर शेप बनाएंगे, देखो सिर्फ एक स्क्वायर शेप बनाया हमने, ठीक है, तो हमें क्या है 4 मैच स्टिक्स लग रही हैं, ठीक है, 4 मैच स्टिक लग रही हैं एक बनाने में। लेकिन इसके बाद अगर हम इससे ज्वाइन कर करके स्क्वायर शेप बनाते चले जाएं और तो हमें क्या है हर बार फिर 3 मैच स्टिक लग रही हैं, हर बार सिर्फ 3 मैच स्टिक लग रही हैं। तो हमको फॉर्मूला बनाना है। फॉर्मूला के लिए हम कैसे बनाएंगे, इसमें क्या कर सकते हैं हम 4 को 3 + 1 में तोड़ सकते हैं और ये सब 3 ऑलरेडी हैं। सो क्या हो सकता है ये फॉर्मूला 3n + 1, सब 3 3 3 3 हैं, तो 3n और एक जो ये एक्स्ट्रा लग रहा है, अगर ये एक को हटा दे तो सब 3 3 हैं, तो 3 × n, n क्या हो जाएगा नंबर ऑफ स्क्वायर शेप, n इज़ द नंबर ऑफ स्क्वायर शेप, और उसमें क्या 1 एक्स्ट्रा लग रहा है, 1 एक्स्ट्रा जोड़ देंगे, क्योंकि जो सबसे पहला होता है स्क्वायर शेप उसमें एक स्टिक ज़्यादा लगती है इन कंपैरिजन टू रेस्ट ऑल। सो द फॉर्मूला विल बी 3n + 1. ओके, so see here, this is the formula. If you not able to understand it very well, you just remember the formula. Okay, this is the formula to make square shape is 3n + 1. If question arises how many matchsticks is needed to make 12 square shape, so the answer will be, what is the answer? We will write the formula first. What is the formula? Formula is 3n + 1, where n is the number of square shape. So how many square shape it is given in the question? 12. 3 × 12 + 1. 12 3 is 36 + 1, that is answer is 37 match sticks is needed. How many? 37 match sticks is needed to make the square shape. Okay, so this video I have made only for matchstick. Okay, so I think I have explained very properly. If any doubt, you can ask me later in the comment box or in the WhatsApp group. Okay, rest of the thing of this exercise I will explain in my next video. Thank you.